Hi there, friends. It's Teacher Bernadette here. Since it's our last week of summer camp and we're doing the Old West, I thought it would be fun to get pretty silly and play with some Old West characters. And here to help me today is my friend, Dirty Bill. Well, hello there. Hi, Dirty Bill. Well, I'm Dirty Bill from Vinegar Hill. I never had a bath, and I never will. I'm Dirty Bill from Vinegar Hill. I never had a bath, and I never will. Catch 'em, snatch 'em, put 'em in the tub. Pour in the water and scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, splash, splash, splash. Scrub, scrub, splash, splash, splash. I'm Dirty Bill from Vinegar Hill. I never had a bath and I never will. I'm Dirty Bill from Vinegar Hill. I never had a bath and I never will. We're gonna wash him up. We're gonna wash him down. We're gonna wash him around and around and around. We're gonna wash him up. We're gonna wash him down. We're gonna wash him around and around and around. Scrub, scrub, splash, splash, splash. Scrub, scrub, splash, splash, splash. Pull out the plug. Bloop, 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 bloop. I always love that chant. It's pretty fun and it seemed appropriate for the Old West. All right, you guys, would you like to make a little hand puppet like I did? I'll show you how. Well, you need something for the eyeballs, right? So sometimes people have googly eyes that are already stickers. I did not. So guess what I did? I took a little piece of Scotch tape. I rolled it up and then I just folded it in half again and I stuck it to the back of a googly eye and stuck it on my hand. Now, I also made a little tiny cowboy hat and I could tell you how to draw that really simply. Okay, the top of the cowboy hat, does that look like any kind of letter to you? Maybe like the letter M, kind of like two humps? That's what I was thinking. I made kind of two humps, kind of like the letter M. You could make it symmetrical, the same on both sides, or you could make it a little asymmetrical like mine here. One hump was bigger than the other. And then, just on the bottom, just make a little smile. I made a little smile. And then I just made the smile bigger to make the brim of the hat. And then I cut it out and I colored it and I did the same thing. I stuck a little piece of tape on the back. So if you want to make your hand into a puppet, just take your hand, it's the side of your hand where your thumb is, make it kind of round like a circle or the number 0, yeah? And the bottom part, your thumb, that's going to be the mouth moving up and down. So it feels a little awkward at first, but you can kind of play with it and it doesn't have to be perfect, right? So then you can put your hat on, you can put your eyeballs on, and there you go. That's right, it's Dirty Bill. Now, some people, when they do this, they just kind of draw right on their hands. I wouldn't do that unless you get the okay from mom or dad. And if I did draw on my hand, I would probably use some makeup, maybe like an eyebrow pencil or something that could wash off really quickly. Yeah, so you can practice that. The other thing that you can use for the eyeballs is some sticker eyes. Now, we put a bunch of these in your craft bag that we sent home. I don't know if you still have that around, but you could use these. And then it's kind of fun to explore the different eyeballs and the different characters that you might think of with the eyeballs. Yes, hello. Since I have these lovely long lashes, I thought I would name myself Calamity Jane. That's right. And then some of the eyeballs are just goofy, goofy, goofy. So that is making a puppet with your hand. Now, one other kind of puppet that you can make with your hand is Quiet Coyote. Let me just remind you how to do that. Okay, so you take your thumb. It's going to be sticking out. You take your middle 2 fingers. That's your tallest finger, tall man, and your ring finger. So the middle 2 fingers, and they're going to touch your thumb. And then these are his ears. This is his mouth, right? So Quiet Coyote is quiet because his mouth is shut and his ears are open. Then if you wanted to play with those stickers again, you could give him some eyeballs. One sec. Yeah. And you could make him even more of a puppet. Yep, 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 yep. Ow, Quiet Coyote here. Sometimes I'm quiet, sometimes I'm not. All right, so I have another friend to show you. You'll see in the next video, and then I'll show you how to turn yourself into Cowboy Tom. Well, hello there, kiddos. This is a rootin' tootin' Cowboy Tom here to say hello and sing you a little ditty. Oh, give me a home where the buffalo roams and the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the sky is not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range. It's good to see you. Take care, kiddos. Bye-bye. Well, I hope you enjoyed Cowboy Tom. He's pretty funny, huh? Now, I'll show you how to do it, okay? So, I don't know if you could tell in the video, but I was hanging upside down. So you kind of have to think of everything being upside down. So, the hat was the same hat I used, right? Goes right on your chin, and it's got to be upside down. Then the eyeballs, also think of those as being upside down, can go right here. And of course, you can have somebody help you with this part. Yeah? And then, to make it look even better, I took a handkerchief, or you could take a scarf, and it kind of goes right over your face and over your nose, like that. I can't see you. And I tied it to the back of my head. And then, of course, the final step is to get somewhere like a couch or a bed where you can hang absolutely upside down and give a little show. So I hope you guys have a lot of fun with that. I certainly had fun making the video. Take care. Bye-bye.